This is the best barbecue sauce. I always make this sauce when we get together here at home. I'll start by putting 5 hard-boiled eggs in a blender. Then add 200 milliliters of heavy cream. Also add salt to taste, 2 cloves of garlic, a little parsley too, the amount to taste, and add green onions. This sauce is better than mayonnaise and much healthier. Now all you have to do is blend everything very well in a blender until it's smooth. And this sauce turns a wonderful color. Check it out. And it's delicious. Guys, this sauce goes well with barbecue, with potatoes, with chicken. Now I'm going to put our sauce in these containers. And I've got some French fries here. This sauce is perfect for any occasion, with fried chicken and even salads. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.